Welcome to Daily Money Affirmations for Financial Freedom. In this video, each affirmation is crafted to inspire confidence, positivity, and a wealth-conscious mentality that paves the way for achieving your financial goals. For a more profound impact, repeat the affirmations aloud after each one is presented. I attract wealth effortlessly. Financial freedom is my birthright. Prosperity flows to and through me. My income exceeds my expenses. Wealth constantly comes into my life. My savings multiply every day. I am open to receiving abundance. Money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. I use money to better my life and the lives of others. Financial security is mine to keep. Every dollar I spend comes back to me multiplied. I am worthy of making more money. I embrace new avenues of income. I release all negative beliefs about money. My actions create constant prosperity. I am aligned with the energy of abundance. My financial goals are achievable. Wealth and spirituality can coexist in harmony. I am the master of my wealth. I am at peace with having a lot of money. My wealth shines from within me. I deserve to be financially independent. Every day, I am becoming richer. My ability to conquer my challenges is limitless. Abundance is my divine right. I trust my intuition to lead me to wealth. Financial well-being is my new reality. I am grateful for the wealth I have and the wealth on its way. Making money is easy for me. I possess the power to create success. My positive attitude is attracting money. Opportunities for wealth are everywhere. I am a magnet for money. Prosperity is drawn to me. I am ready and prepared to receive more money. My bank balance is always growing. Money and I are friends. My potential to succeed is infinite. I am grateful for the abundance that I have and the abundance that's on its way. Every day brings new financial opportunities. My wealth derives from honesty in everything I do. I am worthy of all the richness I desire. Money flows freely in my life. I am smart with my money. My finances improve beyond my dreams. I am in control of my financial future. I attract money naturally. The universe is the constant supplier of money for me, and I always have enough. My money consciousness is always expanding. I allow my income to constantly expand. I live a prosperous life. My money goals will manifest this year. I am creating an abundant future with my thoughts today. Wealth is my constant companion. I radiate wealth, abundance, and prosperity. My actions create constant wealth, prosperity, and abundance. I am thankful for the prosperity I have and the prosperity that's coming. Every decision I make is inspired by my intuition and desire to increase my wealth. I have a wealth mindset. My financial situation is improving beyond my dreams. Money is a tool that enhances my life. I am confident in my ability to make money. My wealth comes from being honest and true in everything I do. I am passionate about building wealth. I am the architect of my financial success. My life is filled with health and wealth. Abundance and I are one. I affirm my ability to merge wisdom and wealth. My financial well-being is secure. I am deserving of abundance in all its forms. The more I give, the more I receive. I live life abundantly. Every day I discover interesting and exciting new paths to pursue. I rejoice in being financially free. My wealth allows me to do more for others. I create the life I want and enjoy it. Every step I take is leading me to financial abundance. Success and money come easily to me. With every breath I take, prosperity flows towards me. I am surrounded by abundance. I see abundance everywhere. The universe supports my every effort. I believe deeply that I am a money magnet. Investing in myself is the best investment I will ever make. I am committed to constantly learning and growing. Every challenge I face is an opportunity to grow and improve. Financial freedom is closer than I think. My relationship with money is healthy and strong. I am tuned into the flow of prosperity. Wealth is a positive expression of divine energy.